Hi, I'm Kai. Welcome to another tutorial with me, Kai. Today I'm showing you a tutorial that is a bit unusual for my channel here. But I was asked to do it and I respond by Hikari Nogami. And I will show you how to do it. The trick I'm talking about, you have probably seen it before, but you have never seen the secrets behind it. So I will first show you the trick, and then I will show you how to do it step by step, so we're sure that you don't miss out on anything. Then you can develop your own way of doing it. You can tweak it a little bit, or you can use it as is. That's none of my business. But it's a cool trick, and if you have kids, they will be amazed by the trick. Okay, so the trick is the splitting of the thumb. It's like this. You see here. You can see my thumb here. It's all good. My thumb. It's whole. It's whole. I'm just holding my hand over it, so you can see better. And if I do this, oh. It's gone. Now it's split in half. I split it in half by magic. And I will learn you this magic right now, step by step. So the thing you start with is your two hands. Two hands. You need thumbs, I think. So if you don't have the thumbs, I'm sorry, then you can't learn this trick. Maybe you can use one of the other fingers, I don't know. This is step one. We can start with the left thumb first, in there, like this. 90 degrees on the middle joint. And then you take the other hand, I mean the right, and you do the same there. You take the thumb and you bend it like this. 90 degrees on both thumbs. Step one, maybe step 1 and 2. So now we have the ground settings for a thumb trick. So the next thing you want to do now is put them together. So it appears that it's only one thumb, but actually it's two thumbs that are bent in half. The way you do this is just take your hands together like this. This will be step 3. I haven't moved my thumbs. It's the same. They're standing at the same position. And you want to take your pointer finger on the left hand and take it over the bent thumb. And these 3 other fingers can just stand right up like a pole. And you have your right hand like this, you see it? I have still bent my thumb. You want to put your left thumb, this area here, next to the bent thumb on your right hand. So, you see? Okay, let's see if I can do this. 3 straight poles in the air. The pointer finger is holding the thumb and it's 90 degrees, the thumb. We're moving it closer, as you can see here, like this. And the last step is just to cover this area, this gap, with your pointer finger. Okay, so now it looks like it's one thumb, but in fact it's two thumbs. Two thumbs, but it's a trick. It's a trick. It's magic. And then you can just move the thumb, the thumb on your left hand up against the pointer finger on your right hand, like this. And you have the trick, but never show the inside. Then you can see that I bent my thumb here. It's bent, it's not split in half. So the trick is to just show this side here, like this. Show it, so like this. There you go. Extremely magical, this trick. So let's do it fast, like this. Bend the thumbs, cross over like you're going to clap. Your pointer finger on your left thumb. Your right thumb is still bent 90 degrees. You lay your left hand over your right hand, along the pointer finger on your right hand, and you just slip it back. Be sure to have your pointer finger on your left hand over this gap, like this, and you're ready to go. You're ready to do magic. So that was the requested trick, the dad trick, dad to son trick, and or daughter. Hope you like it. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. This is a bit off from my normal tutorial on this channel. I hope it's okay. But I have thought about it, so I think I will do a little bit of this and a little bit of that on this channel. On tutorials, that is. So I'm going to show you some stuff. Different stuff, not only boring computer stuff. Okay. Yeah, that was it. I hope you like it. Bye!